Hey guys, this is Huda from the.comgal.com, and today I want to talk about how to make money translating online. So if you're a bilingual or multilingual, you can easily find translation jobs online. Obviously, you need some good language skills to be able to translate, and you need to be fluent in both languages if you want to translate. Some websites ask for experienced translators who have a degree in translation, while others require you to only be fluent in both languages. You will, however, need to go through a skill test so that they can see your skills in both languages, and then once accepted, you can start working with them. So as usual, I have actually written a blog post about this, which I'm linking below this video, so you can click the link below if you want to read about it. And now let's get into these websites that you can apply to become a translator. So the first website is translate.com. Translate.com has a system where you claim your job as a first come first serve basis. Once you apply and you get approved or accepted, you can go into their platform and see a list of jobs that you can claim, and once you claim them, they are yours. The second one is Tetras. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that. This is a company that works with mobile app developers, so if you like apps and you want to translate apps, this is a good option for you. The next one is Textmaster. Textmaster has two categories of translators. The first one is semi-professionals. So you are a translator as like a hobby, for example, but you don't actually have a degree or experience. And professionals are translators who have a degree in translation and a bachelor degree in like languages or linguistics or journalism, and you also have experience. So obviously the semi-professional translators will be paid less than the professional ones. The next one is called Django or Gango. Again, I'm not sure how it is pronounced. And they also have two categories of translators. You start by going as a semi-professional, and then as you gain experience with them, you can apply for a pro test. You can have a test to become a pro translator, and obviously you will earn more. The next company is called Lingosaur, like dinosaur, but Lingosaur as in linguistics. So here, this is basically an agency that gets work from different clients all over the world. So you will have the opportunity to translate into different languages. And of course, they also will ask you to go through a test. Every website that offers you a translating job will ask you for a test, a skill test, to see your level of whatever language you're going to use to translate. It's not always English. It could be French to Spanish, German to Chinese. It depends on the requirement of the client. And lastly, we have a company that is called Linguistic Systems Inc. Incorporated. This website is different from the others because they have different requirements and they are more demanding. They require a bachelor degree, and they also require experience as a translator or an interpreter. They specialize in pharma, medical, and legal kind of translations. One thing that I've noticed about all of these websites that I showed you today is that I couldn't actually find any clear idea about how much they pay. I found different reviews and different pay rates from different people on the internet, and that's why I didn't include any specific rate. However, they all say that they offer competitive rates compared to their competition, so you're going to have to do your research and also see what is more suitable for you. Is translating online worth your time? This is something that you will have to decide for yourself, depending on where you live, what your aspirations are, how much you want to earn, and so on. But in my opinion, if you have some time to kill and you want to make some extra cash and you are fluent in 2 or more languages, I think it's worth a try. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I've given you some resources to go and check. I hope that you have found this useful. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you're the first to know whenever anything comes out. Please don't forget to give me a like and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Share this video if you find it useful for someone else, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And also check out my other videos on my left if you are interested in those topics. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and also please follow me on Pinterest. You'll find my username below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.